Okay, the first thing I've come to at Gastronomy Buffet in the Royal is the pizzeria. It's just cool that you can actually just like sit up here as well. Look at the oils and things as well. So the first thing we've come to is like the pizzeria. So you've got pepperoni pizzeria, zucchini, margarita, potato and mushroom.
Tell him to stop being lazy and come and have a look.
And squash and bacon. That looks amazing. We're just currently sitting over there. I'm gonna look at the next thing now. It looks like a hot noodle soup station. So you can get clear vegetable soup, clear chicken soup and tom yum goong. You can see they're making it all fresh here. And on this side here you've got stir fry vegetables, wok toast prawns with oats, kung pao chicken, and you've got lots of different condiments. This is cool in the middle here, all different types of like pasta and things. And you've got different things over here, eggplant parmesan. Oh, that looks nice, mushroom ravioli. I've not had ravioli since I've been here actually. Do you like ravioli? Spaghetti pomodoro. And there's lots of kind of accompaniments here as well.
Hello,
hello. Oh, that is pretty.
And it just looked real good.
That looks really pretty. Oh, that eggplant parmesan looks really good. It's like in sections, so it tells you the section. Oh, this is the vegan section. This is vegan and gluten-free station. So this is the vegan and gluten-free. Oh, for some reason I've ended up at desserts. I suppose that's not a bad thing. They look amazing. No idea how I ended up at desserts, but I'm at desserts. Well, these are like they're served to you. Look at these. They look amazing. You must have to ask for those ones. They've got macarons and fruits. Pound cakes. We've got 3 choices: vanilla, pistachio or marble. Hot desserts are here. And then there's, oh my gosh, look at this, like the chocolate mixed fruits. Macadamia, hazelnut drug, hazelnut broken mixed fruits. We've got another station here, you must have to ask for these ones. A dark and a milk chocolate running tap. Crispy treats, brownies, chocolate financier and chocolate mandarin. And over here is the cafe. So you've got a full like coffee bar here where you can sit and just have coffees. Full coffee station, and this is the ice creamery. So there's like full ice cream, so there's different cones. So there's waffle cone and like mini cones. There's lots of different flavours. And chocolate, pistachio, vanilla, strawberry, cookies and cream, caramel, pineapple sorbet, passion fruit sorbet, raspberry sorbet, lemon sorbet, mango sorbet and black currant sorbet. Oh, acacia sorbet, wow. Sorbet and ice. So it looks like you can just try a little bit of them if you want to just try a little bit, and there's all toppings here you can put on them. There's all types of sweets and things here as well that you can top your ice creams with. The biggest baklava section I've ever seen in my life. Look at all the baklava. It's absolutely loads of it. Wow. And there's like bread rolls and dinner rolls here. And there's more bread rolls on this side. More baklava. I think it might be the same on both sides actually. The same on both sides. We've got some nice things here as well. Oh, this is a hot one. Oh, it's a cookie. Oh my gosh, look at this for a cookie. Wow. And then what's this? This looks good. Over here is apple crumble tart. A tart crumble over here. Just found another little place you can go to. No idea if you even can go down this bit. I'm assuming you can go down this bit. This is crazy. Yep, so this is all olives and things down here. Olives. Oh, eggplants, roasted pumpkin, artichokes, grilled zucchinis, and there's all your cheeses on this side. All your chutneys. And they've got like honey and things here. I'm completely lost. I have no idea where I am. I found desserts in the middle. And we got like ham and terrine. You're joking. It's like slicing them all here fresh. Look at this. And you've got more accompaniments here. So now I'm at somewhere called the Vineyard. No idea what the Vineyard is. So the Vineyard is kebabs, roasted potatoes, sage and garlic squash, Diane sauce, mountain Ongleton steak, look at that. Cabbage cheese, bone marrow, poached and lime coral, sweet corn, beetroot, carrot and dukkha, parsley sauce, koftas, hot Arabic mezze, sweet potato mash, that looks amazing. Sauce. Wow, look at this bit. I can smell that. That is amazing. Smoked chicken, roast beef sirloin, sliced smoked lamb leg, all your condiments in front of them again. Something over here called the green. So the greens look like it's all the dim sum. This is what Matilda was trying before. So it's like chicken and mushroom sumai, prawn, harcow. Oh, this is what Matilda had, edamame and seaweed dumplings, pandang kayom bun. Look at all the sauces you can get for them. This is just a buffet on like steroids, honestly. Now we're at the curries now. I like the way that they have the lids open on these so you can see them as well. And everything still looks really, still feels hot. Heat coming off them is crazy. Because some of the others, like, you haven't been able to see what's inside them. Oh, I love chat. Potato chat high, which is something called the orchard. I think the orchard is the salad. So we've got all the salad over here. Got tzatziki, hummus, stuffed vine leaves. Oh, I love the beetroot hummus. All different things like that there. And over here, we've got more salad. So every room is like called something. So you can see this is called the orchard because it's everything to do with kind of orchard and fruits and vegetables. Look at this, capsicums, quinoa, sweet corn, edamame. Hi. All the house dressings, raspberry, look at that. All the dressings coming through. And you've got all the salads on this side here as well. It is just absolutely, just when I thought I'd seen it all, I've not seen the seafood section. So here is all the sushi. California roll, volcano roll, prawn tempura roll, all the Nigiri sushi, all the sashimi. Look at it all being handmade here as well. You've got all your pickles and ginger, soy and wasabi paste. Same on this side again. Mixed seafood salad, all the sauces are here. More salads and sauces around here. What's here? Oh wow, he's like shucking the oysters here. So you've got the baby, look at this. So he's preparing them fresh there for people. That's amazing. On this side here, you've got pineapple chutney, grilled salmon, grilled seafood. Wow, they're like grilling prawns on here. You've got like a whole fish here. Grilled seafood gremolata, salmon. Whole smoked salmon here with the bellinis. And I think that is actually the end of the gastronomy buffet. I'm going to finally make my way back to my table.